The first step is to open the Start menu and search for Edit Group Policy, then select it from the results. Once inside the Group Policy Editor, navigate to Administrative Templates under the Computer Configuration section. From there, double-click Windows Components, then BitLocker Drive Encryption, and finally, Operating System Drives. Look for the setting called Require Additional Authentication at Startup, and double-click it. In the window that opens, select Enabled and make sure all the settings allow TPM. This ensures compatibility during the startup phase. Once done, click Apply and OK to save your changes. After completing these steps, close the local group policy editor and restart your PC. If you follow this process correctly, the error should be resolved, and your Windows upgrade or installation should proceed without any further issues. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.